It's the Betway Premiership Match Day 3. Let's see what the results have in store for us. So Babina Noko are in cruise control after that 3-0 win at Orbit College. Keletso Mahalwa pulled the strings with a hat-trick of assists to help his team. And Siwelele Polokwane City, a tight battle there. Polokwane snatched it late with a crucial strike to bag maximum points. And Golden Arrows Durban City, 1-1 draw. Drama in Durban. City thought they had it, but Arrows struck late to steal a point at the death. Chippa United lost 4-1 at TS Galaxy. Galaxy ran riot in Gqeberha, guys. Puso Ditejani smashed a sensational hat-trick, his first ever career treble, walking away with man of the match as well, and making history in style. What a performance. Kaizer Chiefs are cooking as well. It means they are top of the log right now after that 1-0 win at Richards Bay. Coach Kali is cooking, guys.